If I were in so-and-so's shoes, I'd be grateful to anyone who at least made an effort to communicate with me in a way we both understood. When I made my purchase, I saw the rude customer from before in the other line getting an attitude because his card was declining. He noticed me as I grabbed my bags. I gave him a smile and signed, "Jerk," and left. Have you ever learned any sign language? And if not, would you like to? Please let us know. What's the sign for manager? Bullies got what was coming to them. For the first 2 years of high school, I was badly bullied. The first year, they did the usual things bullies do. Name call, gossip, spread rumors, so on and so forth, with the particularly bad exception of once holding a glass bottle above my head in theater class and pretending to bring it down to get me. I didn't notice at the time and wasn't told until the end of the second year of high school by my friends. This went on for most of the school year. In the end, I got too fed up with it and complained to the head of my year, who gave them a stern warning, and their parents were called. They left me alone until the summer arrived. When I got back after the summer, the things they had done to me before started back up again, but this time it was worse. They had pushed me into the walls, put more venom in the name-calling, threatened me in different ways. The gossiping got more frequent, the rumors were spread more often, etc. One thing that particularly irked me was when I sat next to one of them for a class and they'd insult my religious background, our holidays, and my family for practicing it. Meanwhile, I kept the mindset that I would not insult their holidays in anger because it would make me just as bad, and they'd go running to the teacher if I were to say anything, so I kept my mouth shut. Now for the 2-week-long culmination. In my country, every school has a member of law enforcement, let's call them the Awesome, that works on the campus to deal with any stupid criminal act students commit. This is important for later. One day I'm ranting about how much of a pain in the butt these guys are to my mother when she asks me in a concerned tone if they do anything else than name call. I list the things above, and my mother has a look of, "Oh heck no, not my kid," on her face, and calls my dad over so I can explain everything to him that I just said to her. I explain. Now both of my parents have a look of, "Oh heck no, not my kid," on their face. That night, my mother sends an email to my year head. No response. So next, she directly calls my year head and explains the situation. The bullies get another stern warning. But this now gets really good. The stern warning didn't do anything, but within the next week, my father ran into the Awesome that worked in my school. My dad tells them about what was going on, and the Awesome set up an individual meeting with each of my bullies to explain in a law enforcement manner what would happen if they continued what they were doing. They didn't stop, so I complained again, and this time, a meeting with the Awesome, my head of year, myself, and my bullies was set up. It was glorious. At first, they denied everything, again and again, until the Awesome used the best law enforcement I have ever seen, and they broke. And I genuinely thought my bullies were just going to get another, even more threatening warning, until I explained what one of them had said about my religion. The Awesome went the most scarily calm I've ever seen him and tore him a new one. The little jerk had forgotten that those kinds of comments were classified as crimes in my country and could get him a criminal record. The Awesome very calmly explained that if I had come to them and filed a report, it would have been investigated and probably would have gotten him criminally charged. I felt lighter walking out of that meeting, like a weight had been lifted off of my shoulders. So Reddit, that's the story of my bullies getting chewed out, then almost being charged with a crime. Has anybody ever bullied you? If so, what did you do about it? Please let us know. Cashiers bully me everywhere I go. They're just so hard to deal with. Am I the jerk for telling brother-in-law and sister-in-law that their lifestyle is what made them bankrupt? My brother-in-law and sister-in-law, hubby's brother and wife, have always had a problem of keeping up with the Joneses, so to speak. Nobody can ever have anything better or newer than them. While it's never really bothered any of us, it's just something that is there and it's become a family joke. They do this to everyone and have even done it to hubby and myself. Up to a certain point, this has never been a problem, but well, times have changed and now that has caught up with them. He told me that brother-in-law called and asked for money because they were pretty behind on house and car payments and they were about to start losing things to repossession. I asked how this was possible when they were still doing all the things that they have been doing. He said that they never recovered from last year when they lost their jobs and never took lower paying positions. And they never did anything to accommodate to their new salaries. We have the money to help them out, but it would have meant that we would have had to put off some things